Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Whitney Kmetz, a nutrition educator out of CCE, Shenango County, and today I'm going to be making a fresh broccoli salad for you to try. In my bowl here, I have 6 cups of chopped broccoli. I'm now going to be adding in the other ingredients, so you want to try to use a medium to a large bowl. I'm going to be adding in half a cup of raisins. This is one thing that I love to switch up, and so this is a 1/4 cup of cashews. The recipe calls for sunflower seeds, but I love to experiment with some different nuts, and this is what I had on hand. So you always want to use what you have on hand. And so also, instead of the chopped red onion, I had a yellow onion. So I'm going to do a 1/4 cup of my yellow onion. And then it is half a cup of mayo. A nice way to really cut back on the fat too is if you do have a plain Greek yogurt at home, you could do half and half. So you could do a 1/4 cup of mayo and a 1/4 cup of yogurt. That's also a great way to cut back on some of the fat. We have our sugar, so we're adding in 3 tablespoons of sugar. I am going to do the full amount for this just to see what it's like, but sugar is the one thing where you can really reduce it and you're still going to get a great flavor from your recipe. And instead of the red wine vinegar, I have apple cider vinegar, so I am going to do the tablespoon of that. What I love about this salad is it's super quick and easy, and I feel like it's so delicious when I take it anywhere. So you just want to give this a good stir and then refrigerate it right away. So this is a great salad when it sits. The flavor develops a little bit more, especially when the vinegar has a little bit of time to break down. So give it a good stir. And then we're going to put this in the refrigerator for at least a few hours before we're enjoying it. Thank you so much, everybody. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.